Hello everybody, in this video I'm going to show you how to recover an over-fermented dough. You know, it may happen you forget about your dough, you got carried away because you had something to do and you end up with a mass which is hard to handle, which is a little bit sticky and you don't know what to do. I will show you the technique I use myself, and I actually used it yesterday because it happened to me, in order to save your dough and to make it nice and round again. Keep watching. Here is my dough, it's full of bubbles and it's over fermented. First I need to move it off the bowl because it's easy to work on my table. It's pretty hard to handle, it's sticky. Let's see what I can do. Basically I'm just folding on itself. See, after 3-4 movements it's already becoming round again, and now it's basically done and just having fun a little bit more. There you go. Now you can let it proof once again for 1 hour or so, and then it's ready to stretch and bake.